Hello everyone! Today I'm going to open surprises. Here we go, surprise toy box. Here we go, Smooshy Mooshy. So now I'll set this aside and start with this one. Wow! There's toy blind bags. Let's see how many we have. Let's see. And that's all. Now I'll start opening them. I'll start with this one. I'll open it up. Open it. And I got here maybe a ball. Is there anything else? Oh, there is. Wow, look at this. It's a frog. Woo! That's so funny. What can this do? Maybe it's just a ball. Maybe we just do this. Oops. Maybe this is a spinning top. This is a spinning top and a frog. I'll set these aside. And now I'll get the next one. I'll cut this one. And now let's see what's inside. What is this? Oh, let's see. Wow. Let's see what this says. Wow, it's so funny. Oh, so here it is. Now I think I'll put it down. Let's open the next one now. Let's see what's inside. Oh, so I got a whistle and this toy. So this whistle makes a beautiful sound. Here we got this toy and it can move around like this. So I'll put the toys aside now. The whistle and the other toy. Now let's get cutting. Let's cut this one up. Let's see what's inside now. Oops, let me cut it more. There, I think we got it. Take the rest out. So here we got some erasers. That's so cool. Let's take it out. Here we got the erasers. I'll take them out. Wow, we got here a turtle. And here we got this ball eraser. Here we got another red ball eraser. And here's a green happy face. Here's another green happy face. And another turtle. So, oh my goodness! Look, we have a star here, and we can use these pages to write on. Wow, it's so cool! I'm going to use this. So, I'll put this here and take this one now. Cut it and see what is the surprise. And let's see what we got here. What are these? Let's see what they are. Here we have a pizza cutter. Now I'll put it here and get the next one. So let's see what we have here. I really wonder what's in here. We got something green. Wow, a bat. What else? A blue bat. Something else? Okay, now let's put this here. So here we got two bats. One is blue, one is green. Here are the bats that are going to fly, fly for fly. And now they'll fly here. Now time to get this one. Now let's see what's inside this one. And what have we got? Wow! We got stickers. We got here some fish stickers. Here we got some sweet stickers. Here we got, so I think we got a rainbow here, a watermelon, and a camera. And we have the same again. Banana, hamburger, umbrella, and a camera. And a mustache. I'll show you all of the stickers at once. Here's the other one. Yummy cookies and treats. And this baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. We love to play, we love to play, we love to play, we love to play. Here's baby shark. I'll put it here now. And now we have the last one. This is a bag. I really wonder what's inside. I think I know what it is. I was right, Bubbles. Let's blow some bubbles. I'll open it. I think I have to poke it. Let's open and see if we can see the bubbles. Oh, we don't have a blower. So if we don't have a blower, I'll pour it in here. And I'll use this raker. I'll pour it in here and use this raker to make bubbles. I'll dip it in here. Let's both blow some bubbles. Wow, we have bubbles! Let's do it again. Oh, it popped. Let's try again. Wow! It's so cool! Lots of bubbles. Wow, it's so cool! I think that's enough. Now, okay, that was cool. Now let's start with this one, Smooshy Mooshy. Let's open it up. Maybe I need the scissors. Ooh, that was very, very hard to open. Now we can open it. Let's see what we have. And here we got, wow, we got a heart. Here we got it, and here we got a chain. I will cut it. Here we have a heart. And on the back we have chocolate hearts. That's so cool. We'll open the chain. And now I'll open it. My mom helped me put the chain in the heart. I'm gonna put this in my backpack. Yay! Here's the little heart. I like to play with it. I'm gonna put it on my backpack. Thank you for watching the